In this video, I'll show you how to create a player in FC26. All you have to do is select the settings wheel icon at the top left corner from the home page. And then from the options that appear, select create player. So choose that. And then you can either choose to create a male or a female player. So choose the option that you prefer. And then you'll be given available presets that you can choose from. So there are a couple of players you can choose from. So select the one that you'd like to use. So let me select this one. And then from here, you can change a couple of things, be it the first name, the last name, and all this information from here. So all you have to do is put in the first name. So I'll just leave them to default, and the last name. And also you can type in the name that you'd like him to be known as. So you can just select random ones and then select done. And then you can choose the commentary name, the kit name, and all this information. You can choose the country and the region for that particular player. And also you can choose the team that you'd like this particular player to play for. So you can choose team, and then you can choose from either Premier League, you can choose from Premier League and all the other leagues that you'd like this particular player to play for. Now, once you choose the team, you can change the birth year, the birth month, and the date. And that's all the information you can change in the info tab. Now you can use the R1 or the L1 button and go to the athletic section. And then from here, you can change the body type for this particular player. So you can adjust the body if you want him to be tall and skinny, or if you want him to be tall and bulky, you can do that. Or you can reduce the height if you can make him shorter, and all the other possibilities. So you can choose the one that you prefer and select it. And then additionally, you can also change the position for that particular player. So choose the position section by pressing the R2 or the L2 button, and choose the position. You can choose the goalkeeper, defender, midfielder, or forward, and choose the role that you'd like this particular character to play for. So, and also additionally, you can choose the preferred foot. Once you're done customizing the position, you can change the attributes. So select the attributes section and you can change the attack settings or the attack attributes, You can choose the defending attributes, you can adjust the skill attributes and all the other available attributes. Now, once you're done with the athletic section, you can go and customize the face. You can simply choose the available ones, or you can customize your own default face. Now, choose the one that you prefer, or also you can choose randomize and it will randomly choose any particular face type. Now, once you're satisfied with the head or that particular section, you can go back and you'll be prompted, would you like to save the changes? Simply select yes, and then go to the kit. You can choose and customize the kit to suit your needs. So you can choose the kit fit if you want the waist fit, or tucked in. You can choose the option that you prefer. You can also select the kit sleeves if you prefer. And additionally, you can choose the jersey fit. So you can choose the normal fit or the tight fit. Depending on what you want, simply select the option that you prefer. Also, you can choose the boots that you'd like this particular player to have. You can select or any random boot from these available options. Also, you can choose to customize the kit socks, You can choose whichever which you prefer. Also the ankle type, and also any other accessory that you'll find in the boots and accessories section. Also, if you want him to have gloves, you can simply select the gloves and wrist section and choose the option that you prefer. If you want him to have gloves, if you want him to have these tapes on the right or the left wrist, whichever you prefer. And that's basically it. Now, once you're done with the kit, you can select the animation section, and then you can choose the goal celebration section and choose the celebration that you'd like this particular player to have as default. Additionally, you can choose the set piece style, you can choose the free kick style, and also you can choose the penalty kick style. Finally, you can choose the running style. So you can select default, or you can choose from the available options that are currently available on this section. Now, once you're done with everything and you're satisfied with every customization, all you have to do is press the advanced button on your controller, and that should update that particular squad to add that particular player. So that's basically it on how to create a player in FC26. Thanks for watching. and I'll see you on the next one.